Hello guys, welcome back again in today's video. So guys, today I am here to share with you this amazing powder that you can use to return every bit of evil back to the sender. Every bit of evil that the enemies have thrown in your life, both the one that they've thrown for sickness, setbacks, disaster, promise and fail, hindrance, any evil at all that they have thrown in your life that is currently affecting you in one way or the other. I am here to share with you this powder and how you can use it. This is a very, very powerful and mighty powder. If you're suffering from any of this that I just mentioned earlier on, all you have to do is to follow the recipe. Just follow the process of using this powder. And by the special grace of God, God will use this to deliver you from the hand works of the enemies in your life. So this powder here is specially made. This is the powder here. It's specially made with natural things, roots and herbs. It takes care of any arrow being sent in your life. You know, your enemies can send sickness, they can send accidents, they can even block your way. So this powder takes care of all of those things. If your business is not moving well, you have tried so many business booming products, you have tried so many things, and yet you are still where you are. Buy this product. All you have to do when you buy it, you don't need any prayer any longer because I have already prayed on it, I've already fasted, I've already done the needful on this product. All you have to do is to put it in your bathing water. For those who are facing the challenge of low sales, people are not coming in to patronize you. You're into online business. They come, they price, they go without buying. Every time you bet in the morning, you go out, you come back home empty-handed. Every year, every year, you always travel back to the village without holding anything. Now, stop this. Stop the enemies from attacking you with financial breakdown, with financial difficulties by using this powder. All you have to do is to put it in your bathing water every morning and night. You see, every evil arrow, both sickness, both the poison, both anything will just disappear. Now, if you are already eating in the dream and you sense that because of the food that you always eat in the dream, now you are having sickness up and down. Any sickness that passes you contact, anything that passes you contact. You when you receive your salary today, tomorrow you will end up in the hospital. That is because your enemies has filled your bowel with what's eaten in the dream. The moment you close your eyes, you eat. They will serve you with nice food and you will enjoy and eat. And after eating, it's either you eat, they block your road of business, they cause accidents, in fact, they cause hatred between you and people. All right? Now, all you have to do is to get a glass of water, or you get a glass of water, a warm water, place warm water, and then add just a little bit, just half spoon of this powder inside that warm water, turn it, and then you drink it. One, it's going to flush out all the nyama nyama, all the evil deposits in your system, and the aim that they possess, both the one that they send through arrow, that you're always having movement of the body pains all over the places, as if something is moving in from your body, like from if it is at time just be walking up and down from your head down to your buttocks, down to your main place, down to your breast, under your breast, everywhere. Something will just be moving. Get this powder and do the warm water remedy, and every bit of those yama yama will be flushed out. So I also have the liquid one for moving objects. Okay, I also have monkey sugar and cane water. That's their own is just caused by poison. Movement of the body, their own is just caused by poison. If you match poison and then begin to work out all over your body. So all of these products are much available, and this one is much available, and also it's not costly. Okay, so guys, that is it. I said let me come and tell you this goodness so that you not say yeah, God forbid starts running up and down. Get this, okay? So to get this, for those of you does not have my number, what you have to do is to chat me on this WhatsApp 090 59825779 090 59825779. I am active on WhatsApp, okay? Much active, and do not forget that we ship anywhere in the world, okay? So yeah, we ship anywhere in the world. So do not say because you're living in Hong Kong, you're living in China, you're living in Switzerland, you cannot get this product. We ship even in Hong Kong. Okay, so guys, that's just the end of the video for today. Please like this video for me, and also share this video. Leave your comment under the comment concerning this product. Okay, so we will deliver it to you anywhere you're watching me from. I love you all. Remain blessed and stay tuned. Bye.